guys, what is up? Welcome back to today's video. So we are in the house today. Yeah, let's get into today's video. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, what is up? I'm in my backyard right now, and this is gonna be kind of like a new little segment that I'm gonna be doing every week. And it's gonna be called, well, whatever day it is. This is gonna be day one with a perm. Just kind of like, what happens, what's going on, how to care for it, all that kind of crap. Just because, I did get a lot of positive feedback from my last perm video, so I just thought that I would do this once a week and see how you guys reacted to it. So right now I am wearing a visor just to keep it out of my face for a little bit because, well, I was sleeping, so it was kind of messed up. But yeah, now we're doing all right. So today is, today is the first day with my perm. It's looking good, I think. I just took a nap, so it might be a little bit, not as curly, so I should just put some water in it. All you have to do is put some water in it and then kind of just, scrunch it together, and it goes pretty great. Other than that, that's pretty much it, but, yeah, alright, that is day one with a perm. I will see you guys next week for day two. Adios.
Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure and click the subscribe button if you like today's video, and I'm sorry that the uploads aren't as long as 10 minutes or even 5 minutes, but this new segment, I do want to make it a little bit shorter and kind of just like, if you only have 5 minutes, then you can watch this video for some tips and tricks and all the goodies. Make sure and have an amazing day, morning, night, afternoon, wherever you're located. Make sure to have an amazing time, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video. You guys better get ready, it's going to be a good one. I will be riding my scooter, and yeah, it's going to be super great. Alright, thank you guys for watching today's video, and let's roll the outro.